The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender for shakes and smoothies is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet your blending needs with style and convenience. Featuring a sleek, stainless steel color, this blender from Hamilton Beach is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also packed with features that make it a standout product. One of the key highlights of this blender is its multiple speeds, allowing you to customize the blending process based on your ingredients and desired consistency. Whether you're making a thick smoothie or a creamy shake, the various speed options enable you to achieve the perfect blend every time. The removable glass container adds to the practicality of this blender, making it easy to clean and maintain hygiene standards. The pour spout feature is a thoughtful addition that enhances convenience, allowing you to pour your blended creations without any spills or mess. With a generous capacity of 40 fluid ounces, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender.
The Magic Bullet Blender, small silver 11-piece set by Magic Bullet, is a versatile kitchen appliance suitable for various purposes. The sleek silver and black color combination adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. With special features including the ability to make salsa, cocktails, ground coffee, smoothies, and grated cheese, this blender offers a wide range of options for culinary creations. With a capacity to hold up to 1.4 pounds of ingredients, the Magic Bullet Blender is compact yet powerful. Its product dimensions of 4.5 inches in diameter, 4 inches in width, and 11.8 inches in height make it a space-saving solution for blending tasks. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick smoothie for breakfast or grind coffee beans for a fresh brew, this blender is up to the task. The 11-piece set includes everything you need to get started right away, from blending cups to various blade attachments. The Magic Bullet Blender is easy to use, clean, and store.
The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a versatile appliance that excels at blending shakes and smoothies with ease. Featuring durable stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender efficiently crushes ice and blends ingredients to perfection. Its multiple speed settings allow you to customize the blending process according to your needs, whether you prefer a quick pulse or a smooth puree. The 40 fluid ounce capacity makes it suitable for preparing single servings or larger batches, catering to different requirements. Measuring at 8.66 inches in diameter, 8.5 inches in width, and 14.69 inches in height, this blender is compact enough to fit on most kitchen countertops without occupying excessive space. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a reliable and efficient appliance that offers excellent performance for creating delicious shake smoothies.
The Black Plus Decker 10-speed countertop blender is a reliable kitchen appliance that offers both functionality and convenience. With its sleek black design that fits well in any kitchen, this blender is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical for everyday use. One of the standout features of this blender is its adjustable speed control, allowing users to customize blending speeds based on their specific needs. Whether you're looking to blend smoothies, sauces, or soups, the 10-speed settings offer versatility and precision to achieve the desired consistency every time. In terms of capacity, the 48 fluid ounces pitcher provides an ample amount of space to prepare larger batches of your favorite recipes without the need for multiple blending cycles. The size of the blender itself, with dimensions of 8.5 inches in diameter, 9.92 inches in width, and 13.5 inches in height, makes it compact enough to fit on any countertop without taking up excessive space.
The Ninja BL 610 Professional 72 ounces. Countertop blender is a powerhouse kitchen appliance that effortlessly blends performance and convenience. With a robust 1,000-watt base and total crushing technology, this blender is designed to crush ice, whole fruits, and vegetables with ease, making it ideal for creating smoothies, shakes, and more. The 72-ounce pitcher provides ample capacity for preparing large batches of beverages, perfect for accommodating multiple servings or larger families. Additionally, the lightweight design of the blender ensures easy handling and storage without compromising its power and durability. Measuring at 10.71 inches in diameter, 8.27 inches in width, and 15.94 inches in height, the Ninja BL 610 strikes a balance between a compact footprint and generous container size, fitting well on most kitchen countertops without taking up excessive space. The black color scheme of the blender gives it a sleek and modern appearance that complements various kitchen styles.